5 ways to improve your homemade soup. How long you cook your vegetables will change the flavour of your soup. Think of it as the difference between what a raw carrot tastes like and what a cooked carrot tastes like. They both taste like carrots in a different way. Stock cubes. Don't season with salt, season with stock cubes. Add your stock cube. Give it a blend to melt it in. Give it a taste. If you think it could do with another stock cube, add another stock cubes and keep adding them until you have a perfectly seasoned soup. Sieving your soup will remove those fibres of vegetables that aren't particularly nice to eat and will give you a smoother, delicious finish. Butter. Adding a knob of butter to your soup will make it lovely and luxuriously rich. Pick your pepper. Ground white pepper has a fiery kick to it, where freshly ground is a lot more fragrant.